Okay, so now you are ready to print that, send that to the printer. So hopefully you're only going to need to do this once, but it could occur every time that you log off and all this, you'll have to install this. It's a good thing that you know. So I'll go into the process that, let's say that you don't have access to the printer. You should have access to the printer, but let's say that you don't. So you're going to go to your start menu and you'll see like the device and printers. Click onto this and you should see, if you don't, LTE, Room 3300, and the PS3. So that's what it is. If you don't have that, you go to add the printer. You say add a network printer, wireless or Bluetooth. Then after that, you see the printer that I want isn't listed. So click onto this. Go to add a printer from the TCP. No, fine. That's what it is. Click onto the next. And to the name, you just put LT. So because you'll have access to that, fine now. And then in here, what you can do is that you resize this page and go and you see like all the letters. You can actually just click onto the name. So then it'll be easier to go into the room. So you search for the LTE Room 3300 PS3. So eStudio 6570C PS3. Okay, you click onto this and you press OK, and it will install it. Press on to next. Make sure it is not set. There's no check mark over here. Okay, so I'm not going to do that because I'm already set. So then you press cancel. So that's the first thing if you don't have the printer. Now the next thing, what you're probably going to need to do every time is this. Right click on it. Printing preferences. And then this window will pop up. What you want to go for, it says others. And to the others, it says department code. If you see those 4 dots, then you're good to go. If you don't see those 4 dots, it's very simple. It's 1001. So 1001. That's what you use. Press OK. And then you close that. Then afterwards, you can go to File and go to Print. Or say Control P, as in my case. Now you want to make sure that you have the right printer. So click onto this. I said the Room 3300 PS3. Click onto this. Let it load. So this will be the perfect size. Do not scale to fit media because then it will mix up your measurements. Okay. Print settings. And that's another part that probably you'll have to do every time. But make sure that you do it or check no matter what. Okay. So the first thing is colors. You want to make sure that it's going to be color, not auto. Then afterwards it'll say like auto paper source. You wanted to make sure that if you go in here, if I'm not mistaken, you want it to have tick 2, because this will be the actual ticker paper. Then you press onto OK, and then it will send to you. So I'm going to just do one print off just to show you, and I say print, and it says like, oh, something's going to be doing, or you might have like a clipping occurs. Just say proceed, okay, because it's just a matter of always doing that. It's always going to make sure that you're doing the right thing. So hopefully it will be the printing and you don't get any more issue. If you get some issues, it's because probably you skip a few steps. So go back and listen to the video and make sure that you follow the right way. Okay.